Study on Greek pupils' awareness about the contribution of renewable energy in sustainable development. Environmental problems are now a serious global concern, affecting both our quality of life and the health of the planet. Finding affordable and effective solutions has become urgent, and renewable energy is seen as a key part of the answer. This study looks at how students view environmental problems and renewable energy, since young people's understanding and actions are vital for creating a better future. The results show that most students care about the environment and are worried about its condition. However, many lack strong knowledge about environmental issues, and schools are not their main source of information. Since changing people's behavior is essential to solving environmental challenges, improving education on these topics is critical. By increasing awareness and understanding among students, especially through better school programs, society can take meaningful steps toward protecting the environment and encouraging the use of renewable energy. Introduction. Protecting the environment is no longer just the job of governments. It requires the support and involvement of society as a whole. Interest in cleaner, renewable energy sources began in the 1970s during the oil crisis and concerns about pollution from traditional energy like coal and nuclear power. Since then, renewable sources like wind, water, and biomass have become more affordable and are now included in many countries' official energy plans. This study focuses on how students view environmental issues and renewable energy. It highlights the idea that solving environmental problems depends more on changing human behavior than just relying on new technologies. Understanding what students know, how they feel, and what actions they take is essential before making future plans. By listening to students' views, we can shape better environmental education and encourage more responsible behavior to support a healthier planet for everyone. Conclusion. Expanding the use of renewable energy (RES) can greatly benefit countries like Greece by reducing reliance on imported oil, boosting the economy through new investments, and helping meet climate change goals. For this to succeed, local communities and energy companies must work together and discuss what kind of renewable energy they want and on what scale. Schools play a vital role in this effort by helping students gain knowledge about the environment and encouraging positive attitude changes. Currently, environmental topics are only briefly covered in science or elective classes. There should be a clear plan to teach environmental topics at all school levels, ensuring students graduate with a strong understanding of these issues. Beyond theory, hands-on learning and real-world experiences are key to shaping attitudes. Schools should also connect with society and take independent environmental initiatives. Teacher training is essential so educators can adapt their lessons and guide students in taking action for the environment. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.